I sat down with my wife and asked her what it was like to experience menopause firsthand. And the answer that she gave may surprise you. Here's her answer. What was it like to be experiencing menopause firsthand?
At first, I didn't know I was experiencing perimenopause. I came across my old journals from right before I hit 40, like mid-30s, creeping into 40. I was journaling about my weird periods and my moods and my waves of getting really blue. I just kept saying really blue, sad, depressed, and then my period was weird. But I had no idea that it was perimenopause related because my head wasn't there. That wasn't on my radar of information to know about. So I thought all that had to do with just being in my 30s, raising kids. So I didn't know it at first. And then when it was like close into my 40s, remember when I was having all those panic attacks? I think that was perimenopause too, but I was relating that to just putting a lot on my plate and having this really a severe emotional reaction to putting too much on my plate. And I thought I was losing my mind a little bit. But I didn't think that it was anything to do with perimenopause. I just thought I was just hormonally messed up.
Did her answer surprise you? It did me. If you want to know more about how menopause may be affecting your wife, your relationship, and your marriage, I recommend you watch this video next.